Chicken with broccoli, easy and delicious Oriental style. I will start this recipe by adding a whole broccoli in a pot of boiling water. Then I will add a carrot cut into thin slices. Also a teaspoon of salt, and I will stir a little to incorporate the salt into the ingredients. I will cover the pot and let it cook for 4 minutes. While the broccoli is cooking, I will cut 500 grams of chicken breast into strips, this way as I am doing. People, this Oriental-style broccoli is super easy to make and is incredibly delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Now I will reserve the chicken breast for a moment. Once the broccoli has been cooked, I will turn off the stove and remove the vegetables to a bowl of cold water, and reserve it for later. Then I will add in a pan a little oil. When the oil is hot, I will add the chicken breast cut into strips that I had reserved. Then I'm going to season it with salt to taste, oregano ground to taste, a pinch of black pepper, and I will mix very well until the chicken breast is golden on both sides. Meanwhile, I would like to know from which country or city you look at us to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for and more from England, also for Linda Harding from Texas, and Pravati Lad from Canada. Thank you very much for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. Now I'm going to add 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic, and I will fry it very well with the chicken breast. Once I fry the garlic, I will add an onion cut into julienne and I will cook it until it is soft. When the onion is soft, I will add the vegetables I had reserved. And I will mix well with the help of a spatula to integrate it with the chicken breast. Then, in a bowl with a quarter of water, I will add a teaspoon of cornstarch and mix until it dissolves in the water. Then I will add the dissolved cornstarch to the chicken, and mix for a few minutes to incorporate it. Guys, this Oriental-style broccoli and chicken recipe is perfect for lunch or for a healthy dinner. It is very easy to make and without complications. Finally, I will add 3 tablespoons of place sauce and mix for 2 minutes. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means you are liking this recipe. So leave us here below the following message: I like broccoli, so I can send you a very special greeting. And now our chicken with broccoli Oriental style is ready. We have made a delicious healthy recipe, perfect for lunch or dinner. I hope you make this healthy recipe at home, although I would like you to rate it from 0 to 10 so you know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe. Chicken with broccoli.